Well, good morning, YouTube. Rayleigh's Small Engines here. I'm going to show you the fastest way to ruin a chain. Now, I'm not going to say any names here. If y'all have ever seen one of these tools, you take and I'm going to turn this around because we're not going to show the name. But what you do is you clamp this on the end of your bar and push this up against something, and they say it sharpens it. Well, and this stone in here rides on the tip as you rev it up and turn your chain. Now, if you want to see what it does on a chain, I'm going to see if I can focus this in for you. If you look, if I can hold the camera still, if you look at the top, right on that front, in between my finger and the edge of this blade, it just hits that top, and it also hits that raker, as you can see. Now, the way a sharp chain should look is like this. See if we can get you focused in here. There's a sharp chain, but you would have to take off so much meat, so much, you'd have to pull back on this chain. You would have to come all the way back to there to get that chain back sharp again. Now keep in mind, your rakers are already, I don't know how far, I have not put the tool on it, but anyhow, just so you know. But we're going to put this man a new chain on. But my advice, and it's just my personal advice, I don't like these things. So anyway, hope this helps someone. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. I'd like to hear your comments on these sharpeners here. I personally don't like them. If you do, okay. But everybody's got an opinion, right? So anyhow, I hope everyone has a great day. Click that subscribe and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think.